Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is anecdote. It is pronounced a-nuk-dote, and it is spelt A-N-E-C-D-O-T-E. Think an, and then ek, and then dote. An anecdote is a short, amusing, or interesting story about a real person or situation. For example, you could say, he told an amusing anecdote about when he used to work as a plumber. The word anecdote comes from the French word anecdote, meaning secret or private stories. This comes from the medieval Latin anecdota, meaning things unpublished. Its meaning is less specific today and does not refer only to secret or untold stories. Instead, it refers to something which is real and interesting. Here's an example anecdote from Hogwarts' famous headmaster, Professor Dumbledore. "Oh, I would never dream of assuming I know all Hogwarts' secrets," said Dumbledore. "Only this morning, for instance, I took a wrong turning on the way to the bathroom and found myself in a beautifully proportioned room I had never seen before, containing a really rather magnificent collection of chamber pots. When I went back to investigate more closely, I discovered that the room had vanished, but I must keep an eye out for it. Possibly it is only accessible at 5:30 in the morning, or it may only appear at the quarter moon, or when the seeker has an exceptionally full bladder." What did you think of this anecdote? Anecdote is a noun. For example, you could say, she told a hilarious anecdote about when she chased her dog through the city. Anecdote is defined in the dictionary as a short, often funny story, especially about something someone has done. Anecdote synonyms include story, tale, narrative, sketch, myth, and narration. Antonyms include fiction and fable. See if you can think of an interesting or amusing anecdote to tell your family today. It could be about something that happened to you or something that you saw happen to someone else. Just remember, it has to be real in order to be an anecdote. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.